Math Gad.
Welcome back everyone to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to compare two linear functions. So in today's video, we're going to actually be taking a look at two functions. One is going to be a graph and the other one is going to be a table, and we're going to compare different things between the two of them. So let's begin. So guys, as you can see, we have two functions, function A and function B. Function A is going to be a graph and function B is going to be a table. And we're going to be asked three different things. The first one is, which one has higher initial value or value of B? Remember guys that the B is going to be what we call the y-intercept, right? So in the first one, our value of B is going to be 2. So let's begin writing down. So in function A, we're actually going to have a value of B equal to 2, which we can see directly in the graph. And in the function B, we can see that our initial value or value for x equal to 0 is going to be of 0. So that means that here B is going to be equal to 0. Right. The next thing they ask us is which one has a higher change rate, right? So how can we tell? We have to find the slope, right? So in order to find the slope, what we're going to do is that we're going to write the formula. So m is going to be equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. After we do that, we can take 2 points at random from the graph and we can graph them. So for example, from the function a, we can take this point, which is going to be point 3, 5, and we can take the first point, which was point 0, 2. Now remember, it's x, y, x, and y. So our slope in the function a is going to be 5 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 0, which is going to be 3 divided by 3, and that is going to be 1. So the slope on the first one is going to be a value of 1. Then on the second one, or function b, is going to be the same formula, y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So here, as you can see, I'm going to take these two values, so 0, 0, because it's actually easier. And I'm actually also going to take the values of 4 and 6. So I'm going to take a value of y2 equal to 6 and y1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 4, and x1 equal to 0. Remember, guys, you can actually use any points from the function or the graph, and you're going to get the same value of m. So in this case, m is going to be 6 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 0. And that is going to give me a total amount of 3 divided by 2, which is going to be 1.5. So in this case, the one that has the higher rate or the higher slope is going to be function B. And for the first one, the one that is going to have the higher initial value is going to be function A. Now they're asking us to write the linear equation for both. Guys, you have to remember that the formula for the linear equation is going to be y equals mx plus b. Now, the first one actually has a value of m equal to 1, x plus 2, which means that this is going to be a non-proportional relationship because we have a value of b, which is 2. But the second one, our formula is going to be y equal, the value of m is 1.5x plus 0. So that means it's going to be y equals 1.5x, which means that because we have no y-intercept, the value is going to be 1.5x for y. This means that this is a proportional relationship. So the first one is non-proportional because we have an initial value, and the second one is proportional because we do not have an initial value. So guys, this is how you compare the three different things. So the equation, the change rate or the slope, and the initial value or y-intercept. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!